in this model, let's suppose we want to apply the flooring as well, right? So for flooring, we will go to our level 1 plan, right? And here we have next thing, we are done with ceiling, right? After that, we have floor part. So if I click on this, here you can see architectural structure slab edge as well. So we are going with this architecture floor first. So click on this point. Here you can see this. You can either choose or pick walls, or you can create a geometry as well, right? Or if you want to provide an offset, you can go with that as well. So first I'm starting with the line option, right? You need to create the boundary for your floor like this. You need to select every point like this. Here we have, okay. So make sure you are selecting the outer part of wall, right? If you select the inner part of wall, it will give you a warning. So make sure you are selecting precisely like this, right? So here you can see some part of overlapping. So go to trim extend to corner, select it, this one as well, click on finish button, right? So it will create a floor like this. So switch to your 3D view, you won't be able to see that. So go to your camera views, right? In this camera view, you can see this floor now, right? That will be in this as well. This is your floor, right? If you want to apply any different texture to this floor, you will go to here level 1, right? Or you can go to your level 2 as well, right? In level 2 your floor will be visible. So let's go to this as well, right? Here in this level 1 you need to select your floor, right? So press tab. This is the wall, right? We don't need wall, we need the floor. This is the floor, right? You need to press your tab button to switch between different options. So I have selected this floor. Go to its edit type, right? Here we have setting for edit. So here this is again 1 feet. I want only, let's say 4 inches. And here I'm changing this material as well, right? So I am going to apply a new material with certain type of tiles pattern. So click new material, right? Let me rename it as flooring, right? And here let's go to appearance now. I need to select an image. Click here, right? I have chosen some of the images. So go to desktop, and here we have some of the tiles. So I'm choosing this last option from here. Click on open, right? So that will be visible here. So whatever you will upload, so the same texture can be applied, right? After that, go to this and you can choose this rendered appearance. So what this rendered appearance does, if you do not tick this button in the shaded view, your floor will appear like this. If you click on this button, your floor will appear like this in the shaded view. After that, you can click on apply, okay, okay one more time, right? And check this in your 3D, right? You can check this. This is the floor material we have applied, right? We are in realistic view. Clear? So in this way, you can apply the floor material, right? That will be visible in this as well, but you need to switch to your realistic view to see the pattern, right? So let's go again to the this level 1, or let me show you some of the more settings we have in case of floor, right? So for that thing, you need to again press tab to switch between different things. So here I have selected this particular floor. I am going to its edit boundary setting, right? So here is your floor, right? Let's suppose you want to make some changes to it, right? Or what I'm going to do is I want to provide some overhang or offset to this as well, right? So you can provide that as well. So I'm going to create one new, okay, I'm keeping it as, right, I'm creating a small room here as well. So let's say I have created one thing here, right? I have created a simple type of room using walls. So after that, let's say I want to apply roof floor to it. So go to floor, right? So here you can provide an offset as well. Let's say you want 2 feet of offset. You can go for picking walls like this, right? There is no hard and fast rule that you need to create walls first for applying this particular floor, right? You can create floor without creating walls as well, right? So let me show you that as well. So I'm quitting this once, right? Here I'm deleting these walls, right? I am simply going with floor part. So I will click here on floor, right? So I'm choosing a circle from here. I have created a circle like this, right? What if I create one more circle inside this? What will happen? Like this. Yes, I'm going to create one more circle here, right? So when in Revit, you create any profile inside the other profile, it will create a hollow region, right? Since I have created multiple circles, it will create alternate hollow region. So one region will be filled, other one will be hollow, other one will be filled like this, right? Let me create one more thing over here like this and finish it, right? Switch to, let's say, 3D view, and you can check it here, right? It has created alternate hollow regions, right? So let me change it to realistic view. Here you can check this, right? The floor pattern we have applied, right? And this is the floor we have created. So that is not the case with floors only. Whatever the geometry we have, if you create any profile inside other, that will create a hollow portion. Let's see that with the case of wall as well. So let's suppose I am selecting this wall, right? And here we have setting for its edit profile. So I'm going to edit profile. Let me switch to, let's say, front view, right? Here we have this wall. If I'm going to create, let's say, any circle over here, right? It will create a hollow opening at this point. At this point as well, I'm going to create a circle like this, right? After that, if I click on this finish button, it will create a hollow opening at this point. You can check this in your 3D view. Let me switch to isometric part. So you can see those hollow openings here, right? This one, clear? And this one as well, clear? If you want to eliminate these openings, you need to click here again. Here we have reset profile option. Click on this, right? And that openings will be automatically removed from here.